If I don't play City Girls while I got on this JT inspired hair, then what am I doing? All right, you guys, so as I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. Yeah, so I have my head doll with me and the wigs, and we're just going to see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the wig on a mannequin, but first let me cut off all these tags. So we have our little sister. So I got some regular wig pins, and I'm about to pin this on the head doll so that it stays in place. So I placed my wig on the head doll and I've secured it with the pins. Now what I want to do is start to put the highlights. So I'm just gonna pull up a picture of JT's hair up close so that I can make sure that I also get the right color. So this is the color that we're going for. And you can see she has the light streaks on the side and in the bang. I don't know what the back looks like, but I'm gonna focus putting it on the very top, on the top portion of the wig. I'm putting it right at this line right here. Pull it back with a clip. So these are the highlights that I'll be using. I'm gonna stick these in between on the top. See, this is kind of what I'm going for. I don't want the highlights to be super thick, so I thought about thinning them out, but I wanna see what they do to the hair first. It has a little clip that you can just kind of hook into the hair. So I'm gonna just continue. See how that color is coming out? Ah, it's working, you guys. The highlights are making a difference. And this one, I put a skinny little line at the top, and I'm just gonna cover it with the track as if it was leave out. Look how that covers it, but it still comes out. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Just look how you can see it like popping out. I love it. I literally love it. Ah! I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna continue to put the highlights in, and then we'll get to flat ironing. I have my flat iron on. I put it on medium heat. I'm gonna let that keep heating up. I'm not gonna cut this yet. I just wanna flat iron everything, and then I'll kind of cut everything. Cause I'm even gonna cut, the bob itself is too short. If you look at JC's picture, it's right under her neck. So I know I'm gonna probably have to cut at least 2, maybe 3 inches off of this. So far, so good. And I can tell when you straighten it, the highlights are coming out more. So I'm just gonna make sure I take my time and straighten both sides, and then I'm gonna get to cutting. All right, you guys, so I am finished with the wig. I really do like how it turned out. I feel like the colors really came together. The cut was super easy, and so was flat ironing it to get that little bump in the end. All right, so now that I'm done with the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. So I have my hair pushed back with my wig cap on, and then add just a little volume in with my flat iron. If I don't play City Girls while I got on this JT inspired hair, then what am I doing? Duh, but I can't really play it because of copyright. Real girl chick, give an ass about a boop. Big burger, girl style fit, ooh. Stripes on my ooh, so he come out ooh, ooh. F on real, ooh. Same good burger, ain't no add to the picture. Get it and get bigger. I ain't got time for you fake girls. Fake curls. Fake gold shoes, smash that fake gold. I'm the realest girl. Let me teach you, snake little girl. Act up before you get smashed up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. I just want you to know I came with I love you. Girl, you do not need to worry. I said baby kicks. You just don't know, no. How I wanna double your glow.